So well, we shall start with the laboratory experiments. So basically, for your lab exam, in your lab ADE, so you come across 9 experiments. Okay. So 6 is from logic design. Logic design is something like we call it as LD, logic design, which is based on like first the second, third, fourth modules, and we have 3 EC experiments, EC electronic circuits experiments, so like op-amp, relaxation oscillators and all those things. So coming with logic design, you have 6 experiments which are easy to make the connections. You can expect output easily. When it comes to EC experiments, EC part, electronic circuits parts, obviously you need to make use of breadboards, diodes, and all those things. So you should be very careful while making the connections. So while inserting the wire into a breadboard, you need to make sure that the wire has been interconnected or not. A small misconnection may lead to you may not get the output. So it's easy to make the connections with respect to electronic circuits, but a bit hard to get an output easily. Even though if you have made connections right, you won't be knowing how to take down the outputs. Like you are supposed to make use of a CRO, so you need to make certain settings over there. So most of you people won't be remembering how to make use of CRO, cathode ray tube. So this is why so compared to the EC part, like logic design part will be a bit easy. So I have taken one of your seniors experiments. Her name is Nishchita. She look at this record, how neatly she has written the record. You are supposed to maintain the same thing. So you need to borrow a record from the store and you need to write the way she has written. Now I will be showing the record, so page by page. So you need to write the same things. Okay. So this is your friendship like certificate. Okay. So look at this. This is an index. The first thing is basic gate. Second thing, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, up to here. So these 3 are electronic circuit experiments: A-stable multi-operator, window comparator, and that's it. And this one, relaxation oscillators. Okay. So you need to maintain the forget about the date. You need to write the topic, title of the experiment, page numbers, date. No need to write the date. Okay. This is how you're supposed to write the index. And I think you can buy the record from the nearby stores. So the first thing is logic gates, like basic gates. So first, basically, while starting with your record, you need to write the basic gates. Like first, it is AND gate. Okay, she has written an explanation regarding AND gate. Okay, so then parallelly on the left side, she has written the AND gate symbol, 2 input AND gate, 3 input AND gate, and the truth table and the pin diagram. Okay, so she has not written the IC number here. 7404 is the IC number for AND gate. Similarly, okay, this is a 2 input AND gate and this is a 3 input AND gate. Okay, so you can get 2 input AND gate, 3 input AND gate, truth table, circuit diagrams, and all those things. If you search in Google, you will get the explanation as well. Okay, so then coming with OR gate. Okay, 2 input OR gate and 3 input OR gate, the same thing: 2 input OR gate, 3 input OR gate, truth table, pin diagram. Okay, so 432 is the IC number. So then she has written NOR gate, 2 input and 3 input, pin diagrams and pin diagrams, truth table, pin diagrams. Okay, then she has written NOT gate. Okay, the explanation regarding the NOT gate. Okay, so then symbol, truth table, pin diagram. XOR gate. Okay, 2 input, 3 input, and the same thing: symbol, pin diagram, truth table. And XOR gate, the same thing. So then NAND gates, 2 input and 3 input NAND gates, like this. Okay, this is the first thing. This is not in your This is not the part of an experiment, okay, but basically while writing the record you need to write these things, okay. The first thing. So done with the first thing, then we'll go with the logic design part. We have 6 experiments. I will be showing what are the calculations which need to be done before constructing the circuit, okay. We need to make some calculations, so theoretical calculations. I'm going to explain those theoretical calculations now, okay. So when you come to the lab, I will be showing how to make the connections, okay. In one day I will be covering all the laboratory experiments if you are done with. So that is why I will be covering all the theoretical and calculative part here itself. So you need to write the record, you need to keep the record ready by the time you come to the college. So in one day I'm going to cover up all the 6 experiments so that it will be easy for to take up the examinations, okay. So the first experiment is realization of logic expression using 80:1 multiplexer. So this thing is already done in your theoretical part. You have solved many problems in regarding multiplexer, right? The same thing here. There is no difference at all. So let me show how the thing once again, okay. So look at this. Parallelly you need to observe how they have written the record, okay. You need to follow up the same things. Realization of a logic expression using 80:1 multiplexer. This is a title of the aim to simplify the given 4 variable logic expression using entered variable map, and to realize the simplify the logic expression using 80:1 multiplexer IC, okay. This is the aim of the experiment. This is the common components required. You need a trainer kit, you need patch cords. Patch cords refers to wires. Trainer kit refers to where you are supposed to make the experiment. That's a trainer kit, okay. And you need 2 ICs, 74151 and 7404. 7404 is an AND gate and 74151 is a IC which is used to construct multiplexer experiment. Both you need in one number. One number refers to one 74151 IC and one 7404 IC you need, and 20 wires, minimum of 20 wires you need, and trainer kit is of 1, okay. So then go with a theoretical explanation. You need to explain what is multiplexer and all those things, 4:1, 2:1, 16:1, everything they have written. You can write some part regarding theoretically explanation regarding the multiplexer, okay. So then she has written what is entered variable map. She has written the expression, and she has written to realize the expression using 80:1 multiplexer. How did you realize the expression, okay. She has written the procedure like steps, step 1, step 2. So realization is something like, so there will be given with an expression, this is 16:1 multiplexer. You need to realize to convert to 80:1 multiplexer by making one variable as map entered variable. You have done the same thing, right? You have constructed a table, you have made D as map entered variable, function these values 0, 1, 0, 1, and comparing these two and writing D bar. You know these things, right? So how you are going to solve this one? So this is what you are supposed to explain by step 1, step 2, like this, okay. Step 3, and at last procedure. No need to write the procedure. You just need to leave some space in your record writing the procedure, because without knowing how you are done with an experiment, how can you write the procedure, right? So no need to write the procedure now. You need to write leave some space to write the procedure, okay. After doing an experiment you can write the procedure, all right. So let me show this one, okay. Look at here. Given a 4 variable logic instruction, simplify using appropriate technique and realize the simplified logic expression using 80:1 multiplexer, okay. So this is the expression they are given, f of ABCD summation of m, and they have given the mean terms, okay. So you might be knowing, so they can give the mean terms or they can give the max terms. If they are given the max terms, you need to convert them to mean terms. If they are given a Boolean expression like a bar, b bar, c bar plus a bar, b bar, c bar, d bar, something like that, means you need to first make sure that which are the terms missing. You need to write those terms and multiply those things and convert them to the mean terms. All those things you remember, I think, okay. So whatever the things, it all depends upon the examiner, okay. You can randomly give the expression, okay, like this expression, and he might ask you to make D as map entered variable, okay. For the same expression, so this is the table which have made like D as map entered variable. They have got this thing, okay. So all these ones are connected to VCC and zeros are connected to ground, and D bar and D, you know this D bar and D, you are supposed to make use of an AND gate. I hope you people Remember, I have made you people to solve this problem in the theoretical. Okay, A, B, C are the control inputs because D is an map entered variable. So before writing this, okay, so you need to write this multiplexer, block diagram of a multiplexer. There is n data inputs and one control input and with a selective inputs. Okay, then you're using two ICs, right? 74151 and 7404. You need to write the pin diagram of 74151, D3, D2, D1, D0. This is 74151. This is a pin diagram. So you need to remember this pin diagram. Okay, in your examination they are not going to give the pin diagram. You need to remember the pin diagram. What is 15, what is 14, what is 13. So this D4, D5, D6, D7. This is, so look at here. So here we have D3, D2, D1, D0. It's not D0, D1, D2, D3. Okay, so the ICs are designed like this. You need to remember the numbers. So this is not D0, this is D3. Okay, if you made a small mistake with writing remembering this IC pin configuration, means the complete thing goes wrong. Okay, you need to remember this IC, but you need to learn these things. In your examination they are not going to give the pin configuration diagrams. Okay, they are going to just give the ICs. Even they are not going to give the ICs, you need to remember the IC number and you are going to ask the instructor. So you need this IC number of 74151, then you will give the, if you don't know the IC number, then nobody can help you people. Okay, this is the pin configuration of 74151 and this is a pin configuration of 7404 and gate. Sorry, not gate. Why do you need not gate? So like whenever you get a bar, you are supposed to make use of a not gate, right? So this is why you are supposed to use a not gate. This is the table for the same expression. They have made D as map entered variable here, and for the same expression they have made A as map entered variable here, separate circuit diagram, and here B as map entered variable, circuit diagram, and C as map entered variable, circuit diagram. So the examiner might ask you any variable. They might ask any variable to make as a map entered variable. So you should be knowing all how to make A, B, C, D as a map entered variables. Okay, this is with the multiplexer experiments. So you need to write this experiment as if I have shown in detail. Okay, then so we'll go with the second experiment. Okay, so the second experiment is design of adder and subtractor. Okay.